Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Good morning, guys! So today is Sunday, the day before Memorial Day, and of course we're at the beach. I'm so excited! Okay, I'll show you guys more of that, but let's go. You guys, I'm gonna show you our setup and then we'll go enjoy the pool. The beach. I wish there was a pool. Yeah, I'm totally a pool over beach type of person. What are you? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Are you pool or beach? I guess you could say both if you love them equally. Let me show you our setup. What? Huh?
The lollipop thing.
You want a lollipop thing?
I don't know why.
I don't have any more of the push-up pop. There was only one for each person. Did yours fall on the floor? Yeah, I'm sorry. There's lollipops. Would you like a lollipop? Okay. Here you go, honey. Cherry? You don't like cherry?
I don't like those.
Watermelon?
Oh,
Oh, I don't have any other ones, puppy. I'm sorry.
Cameron
So
caught a
cute.
fish before it went.
You want some of this candy? Birdo, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
I vlog.
Guys, if this goes viral, I'm not paying you. That's my disclaimer. Look.
Oh, if that's the case.
In that case, I do not authorize you.
Wow.
Say hi. No, say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Wow.
Suzette.
Good. Hello.
Caught you in, what's that? What is it?
4K.
Caught you in 4K.
Wow.
What up, brother?
What's up?
Say hi, Strong. Hi. Why they got you strapped up?
Because he's going to run away.
Say hi.
Because he's tired of Levi.
Hey, hi, buddy.
Oh, you're too cute. Okay, so we have donuts, stuff to grill. These are strawberries and oranges, Twinkies, ketchup, mustard, juice. This is our breads, candy. Then we have, yeah, I did. We have burgers and hot dogs and sausages. We have juices over there. I mean, we just got all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And juices, yeah. All right, let me show you guys the water. Jesus. Why she gotta act Puerto Rican? Oh, it's so cold! Ooh. Wow, it's cold! Why do I have to be so loud? Why am I like this? I wanna be like that. I don't got no floaty. I forgot.
You brought nipple shoes, but you forgot the
There she go, yelling again.
Let's get on our knees, man. Let's do this, man.
You need more than one shovel.
Look at Caleb. He's like, I'll use my feet because his hands are busy. Caleb said he'll cover the water. Look how he's covering it.
I want to break that scooter. You can win them.
Okay, they're making good progress. It's only been a couple minutes. Look at Caleb hasn't touched a grain of sand. Living his best life. Say hi to my vlog. They're in the water. Hi, Babas.
He wants to go on the floor. He has place.
Yeah, let me grab it.
And snail.
Caleb found a snail.
not a snail.
Yes, it's hiding.
Yeah, I want to see
Let her see it.
I thought that.
Alright, we're doing last to leave the ocean
Win 10,000.
wins $10,000.
Or pounds, like people say. Look. Minute Maid.
He brought a drink. He's smart. We got to get somebody to help us.
I ate donuts.
We got to get people to bring us food so we don't got to get out.
Or we lose. We've been here for 3 hours.
Guys, we've already been in the water for 3 hours. No one has moved. Caleb's still drinking Minute Maid. It's lasted him.
No, I'm just drinking the salt water, but I'm spitting it back out.
Oh, so it's not, no, it's Minute Maid anymore? Kayleani is still in the game. No one has gotten out. Is anyone getting out anytime soon?
I'm about to.
You're gonna get out.
I don't know.
So you're gonna lose $10,000?
No.
Yeah, you get out. What about you? You leaving?
Nope.
Nope. Are you,
Okay,
Caleb?
I think I'm gonna buy a lot of Robux. A Lamborghini. I'm playing. A lot of Robux, Mama. A lot of Robux.
Okay, so maybe you should get out.
Give me a lot of Fortnite. Kamiani, you're still in the challenge. Do not leave the water. You win $10,000. Yeah, you too. And you've been playing, and you've been in here for 3 hours. Mama.
All right, we'll hit you guys back in a couple hours. 8 hours later.
It's still light. I don't know how, guys. But I'm tired.
You know what? Drink? Go ahead.
You lost. I got Isaiah out of the challenge. No, Isaiah has been eliminated. No, he's right here. Oh yeah, we're just. So guys, it's been 12 hours, but it's still not dark. I don't know how. It's like kind of getting dark, but not really. So guys, if we're gonna win this challenge, we need all the likes we could possibly get. Okay, guys.
Levi has been eliminated. Caleb and Isaac are out. They have been eliminated. We have Chatty, Kayleani, and Isaiah still in the challenge.
You got out.
Caleb, was it worth it?
Yes.
Was it worth losing?
Yes. 10 grand. Yes.
Kayleani, what are you doing with your money if you win? What are you gonna buy?
Buy princesses.
You gonna buy Barbies?
Barbie and
You got Barbies. Okay. What about you're gonna buy a unicorn? Yeah. A big one, like a real one? Yeah. So you can't get out the water, okay? What about you? What are you doing with your money?
I told you Robux.
That's it? 10,000 on Robux?
And. Mama, look, you cannot
You
forget.
need to buy your own school clothes and your own school shoes.
Guys, look. I'm not.
Levi's a little upset that he's out.
That he cannot get ice cream. Did you get ice cream?
All right, Kayleani, Chatty, and Isaiah all won. We have winners. So they're gonna divide it into 3.
But I think I'm alright.
Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Who is she? Who's that supermodel? Wow. Oh, snap.
slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Déjalo que se vaya. We got us some milkshakes. Let me see. Which kind you got? Cookies and cream? Yeah. Chetty got mint cookies and cream. He hasn't looked at his. And then I got strawberry.